need to connect DSPy to a specific language model in just seconds. We'll initialize the Anthropic Claude model with your API key and prepare it for use. The exact 3-line pattern you'll need to start working with any DSPy-supported model.
Import DSPy. LM equals DSPy. LM, Anthropic/Claude Sonnet 4-5-20,250,929. API key equals your Anthropic API key. DSPy, configure LM equals LM.
This demonstrates the language model initialization pattern in DSPy, where you create a specific model instance and prepare it for use. The code shows a straightforward two-step process: instantiating an LM object with provider details, then passing it to the framework's configuration system. The distinctive aspect here is how it encapsulates all model-specific parameters in a single, explicit setup sequence. The pattern works by first creating a concrete LM instance with the required provider identifier and authentication, then immediately registering this instance as the active configuration. This establishes a clear, linear flow where model selection and setup happen before any actual usage, making the configuration phase self-contained and predictable. The code shows how all necessary parameters model name, provider, and API key are specified upfront in one place. This approach matters because it makes the model selection an explicit, visible operation at the start of the program. The code demonstrates how you centralize all model-related configuration into a few clear lines, ensuring that anyone reading the code can immediately identify which specific model will be used. This explicit setup becomes particularly valuable for maintaining clarity about the exact model being employed throughout the subsequent operations. Let's break it down line by line.
Import DSPy.
Imports the DSPy library, which provides the core framework for defining and executing AI programs. This is the required first step before using any DSPy functionality.
LM equals DSPy. LM, Anthropic/Claude Sonnet 4-5-20,250,929. API key equals your Anthropic API key.
This initializes a DSPy language model interface targeting the specified Anthropic model. The LM variable stores the configured model instance for subsequent DSPy operations.
DSPy, configure LM equals LM.
This sets the language model instance as DSPy's active configuration. All subsequent DSPy operations will use this specific model until reconfigured. DSPy LM configuration. This code establishes the foundational connection between DSPy and a specific language model through direct instantiation and immediate configuration. The API key is passed during LM creation, which takes precedence over any environment variables for this instance. Model strings must exactly match your provider's expected format, including version numbers and proper casing.
The key that unlocks no endpoint opens every language.